Hey guys, welcome to my 20-month update. So this is just going to be a continuation on my last update where I was talking about ditching shampoo, using clay mask, and what I was going to do with Chebe powder. Ditching shampoos have been working wonders for my hair. My hair isn't as dry as it usually is. And the clay mask, my hair has just been much more shiny. It's much more manageable. And when your hair is more manageable, that actually helps you with length retention because that's less detangling you have to do, less harsh detangling that leads to more harsh breakage. You guys get it. So in all, it's going to help keep your hair healthy and help you retain length. Now, Chebe powder, I can't lie, all I've done so far is added to my deep conditioners, which I looked it up. You can do that for a benefit. Using it in a traditional manner, I really cannot see how I can do that without that smell. Chebe powder has such a strong smell, it's hard to not have anyone else be like, what do you have on? The traditional way of using Chebe powder is kind of making a cream with the powder and using the cream and then putting some of the powder on your hair and putting it in plaques. I was gonna do that and just wear my wig, but you can still smell it. So it's like, until I can find out how to mask that smell, I'm gonna hold off on using that in a traditional way. So I know you guys have noticed my little braids here. I did these myself. There will not be a tutorial on it because I really don't know what I'm doing, and this was my first time doing it, but I don't think it turned out, too bad for my first time. Also, these are knotless box braids. It took me about 9.5 hours to do this, and I did 8 hours the first night right after I got off of work, my first day of vacation. Oh, actually, I put these in because I was going on vacation. I went to Hawaii. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you will see all those pictures. But yeah, I needed something to do to my hair, and I didn't want to pay like $225, which is the average cost of knotless box braids that's going around my state, which is Michigan. I would rather use that money on my trip rather than doing a hairstyle that wouldn't last that long because I did plan on getting in the water. I mean, come on, it's the beautiful sands and suns of Hawaii. Who doesn't want to get in the water? So I didn't want freshly done hair to just get in the water and for it to get frizzy. So I did it myself. Like I said, it took 9.5 hours. As soon as I got off of work my first day of vacation, I started around 11:30 and didn't stop until like 8 hours later. By then my hands were just cramped up. I couldn't do the braid anymore, so I just went to sleep, took a break, and I finished it the next day. So all in all, it was 9.5 hours. Okay, so I just had to count it. I have 70 braids in my head to be exact. I didn't know it was the exact number. The hair I bought, which I'm going to show you guys, I only used one pack, and I actually have a little bit left out of that pack, and that pack only cost me about $7.99, so I got a whole hairstyle for $7.99. I plan on keeping these braids in my hair for a full month. By the time my next update comes up, I don't know if my hair will be loose or a mini twist because I have an idea of me doing mini twists without driving myself crazy. As soon as I undo one of these braids, I'm going to take the hair that's in that braid and just twist it in its own twist using my own hair. So by the time I'm done, I should have a head full of twists of my own hair. And I say it won't drive me crazy because if I start in the middle and just keep on putting my hair in a bun, you won't know that my hair is half done and half not because all you're going to see is the bun. So that's pretty much it. Like, this update is very last minute. I've just came back from my trip. I'm trying to get myself together. I knew I had to make this video. I started to make this video on the beach, on the nice sands of Hawaii. That would have been nice, but I really didn't have time, honestly, between trying to relax and trying to get to all the different spots that we wanted to get to. We were pretty much going on the whole time, so it would have been nice though. So you guys, that's pretty much the end of the update. Let's get on to this lint check.
Dear Black Queens, this is a message. Feel. Waking up in the morning, it's just another day in the life of a black queen, trying to get ahead. Another day of struggling to do
guys, so that's pretty much it for the update. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys all in another one. Bye.
Beautiful and strong, united we must fall. You don't know what you possess. You don't know